channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. In this video, I am doing a wig review on a Janet Collection wig. I'm running a little bit behind, and of course I choose a wig that's a 4x4, which means you have to lay the part, but it's fine. We will get through it because I really just want to wear this wig. So, I have Miss Taylor, and this is part of the Princess Collection 4x4 lace, which means it's a free parting like in this section, and it is in the color Sugar Brown. Sugar Brown, Sugar Brown. It says it's heat resistant to some degrees, okay? And I scooped her up from Elevate Styles for $19.99. Okay, this is Miss Taylor. And she was a lace front, which I already cut the lace. You can see this is the 4x4 parting, so you can part it anywhere in that section. 2 combs in the front set wide, a comb in the back, adjustable straps. Sugar Brown is definitely like a number 2 at least root. And then she's got this, I would say it's like a 30 mix, maybe a little 27 highlight going on, and that's their Sugar Brown. Ooh, wig cap feels really good. Oh, I guess there's baby hairs. I actually don't hate the baby hairs on this. Usually I hate baby hairs. Let's be honest though, I'll probably tuck them under. Let's just sit her where she's supposed to be. Ooh, hey. Yeah, this is where you can be like, oh, what's up, what's up, what's happening? I don't even want to say it's a yucky texture. Honestly, I feel like it's more, if this even makes sense, if you have like Caucasian, like straight hair and you've been in the pool, or you've been at the beach and sort of it's that beach, not wave, but the beach feel, like when you've gone swimming, and it's not horrible, but you can feel like the salt, I guess, in there. So I guess it's a light yucky texture, but there's definitely a silkiness to it. I think the density is nice. It is not like overly full, but it's definitely a nice density. It's layered. It's layered, so it's gonna be probably 18 to 20 inches at the very longest piece, but there's definitely layers. This is going to be 14 inch, 17, 18 inch, yeah, with the layers. So yeah, this is the parting space. I definitely want to part it on the right, but if you see what I'm saying, like you want to lay this part down so that it's not like doing this all the time. I mean, it feels good. Yeah, it feels real good. All right, let me get her together and then I'll give you, whoa, is that? I don't know if that was from the last wig. Let me check. No, that was from the last wig. Whew, okay, so shading's not bad. Again, let me get her together, and then we'll see what I'm talking about, or what I think. So I set the part down where I wanted it. Like, you could still move it if you, like, move it around if you want it, but it would take a little bit of work. I don't really want to do that. It's just, yeah. I like the free parting in that, you know, we can get the same wig and part it completely different. But I don't feel like, I'm just combing that style and paste in. I don't feel like it needs to be, you know, I need to be changing it up constantly. So now I put a little, just gonna dry shampoo because so far, I really like this wig. She reminds me a lot of Felicia that I really like, except she's just not as full as Felicia. Wig cap is comfortable. It's not an oversized wig cap, but it is comfortable. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that color blend is really pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I love the density of it. I love the density of it. And you could easily just do like an ear tuck. Oh yeah, yeah. Just be cute. Yeah, I love this. I already love it. So, because I really love Felicia, I just feel like she's too full sometimes for like every day. This is definitely more of like an everyday wig. You could, you know, yeah. Yeah. So, that's my review. I love this wig. If you have this wig and you love it, if you have a different color, let me know. If you have another Janet collection or another straight wig that you think I should try, also let me know. If you haven't subscribed, why are you waiting? I would really love to have you here. If you're one of my subbies, you know that I love you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.